Hey guys, Everton Zaquini here, and today I want to share with you one of the things that I usually do for my students, especially the ones that are having lessons online. So I usually prepare some videos with the subject that they are studying or some songs that they can play with me or check later during the week. So in this video you'll see the solo 1 of the song Knockin On Heaven's Door. This is the cover made by Guns N' Roses, and the song is in the album Use Your Illusion 2, and this song was originally written by Bob Dylan. One thing is that on the original song on the Guns N' Roses album, the song is half-step down tuning, but I did the solo on standard tuning, so you don't need to change your guitar tuning, and at the end I'll be playing the whole solo. I hope you enjoy it, have fun, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Alright, enough chit chat, let's practice.